First, understand where the Touch ID button is on different Mac models. New Mac users mistakenly try to use Touch ID on the mouse, trackpad, or Mac Mini Power Button, iMac Power Button. Touch ID is accessible on the keyboard, which is the power button on MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. To use it, just place your finger. Don't press down. The sensor automatically scans your finger and logs in or authenticates password autofill, Apple Pay payment, and app downloads. For iMac and Mac Mini's keyboard, if the keyboard is Touch ID supported, like this keyboard, then Touch ID is available here. Let's get started. First, open System Settings on your Mac. From the left sidebar, scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Password. Now, click on Add Fingerprint. Enter your MacBook login password to continue. Next, tap your finger on the Touch ID sensor, usually on the top right corner of your keyboard. When prompted, lift and relax your finger repeatedly, adjusting the position of your finger slightly each time. Once the fingerprint is fully captured, click on Done. You can also customize what Touch ID is used for, such as unlocking your Mac, making purchases, and using Apple Pay. That's it. You have successfully set up Touch ID on your MacBook. In addition, you can delete old Touch ID fingerprints from your MacBook by tapping the Close button. Appear on each fingerprint as you can see on a video screen. To rename the saved Touch ID fingerprints, click on Name, press the Return key to erase, and type a new name. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.